Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max Plus OG. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment. Just throw that our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got to look at the Nike Air Max Plus OG. We got this in the Sport Red Black Mandarin colorway, or the photo colorway. And we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's US 9. So these came out last year, so if you're watching this, obviously it's 2024, this came out at the back end of 2023. I really like this, really dope pair, it reminds me of a lot of the Air Max Plus OGs that you might have seen. And here it is, really lightweight sneaker. So obviously this is a take on the OG Air Max Plus, where the materials isn't as, I wouldn't say it's meshy. This one and a half I've got in my hands is proper meshy, the other one isn't. There's a lot of plastics on that one. But we'll get into the details soon. Right now, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got all that waffle traction patterning there from Nike, what Nike's famous for, and in the middle you can see the TN Air. So this is a tuned Air, Nike Air Max, big in the UK scene, in London scene. Nike TN, so 110 is there, also known as. So you've got that TN, and you've got a bit of the shank plate that's in the middle. Looking at the midsole unit, so that midsole unit you have the Air Max unit here. So it's kind of split into two, so you've got the heel and the forefoot. And if you look closely, you've got all the little details. So on the lateral side, it looks silver, and if you look at the medial side, you've got that hits of orange and red. The midsole itself is made out of a foam unit, and obviously with it being the Air Max unit, it is the cushioning, visible air cushions at the heel and at the forefoot. Looking at the upper, so this upper is made out of a mesh material, all synthetic materials. So you can kind of see where it's essentially photoed and like printed on, where that little patterning's here, where the plastic would be. You can see it. And it's just made out of a mesh. The lacing system, you got a quick lace system. Only comes in a pair of white laces, unfortunately, in this orange colorway, orange red. Reminds me of the Sunset OG Pluses that came out ages ago. They're really nice. Do look out for that if they ever retro. Then you look at the toe box, so you've got a little rubber toe box unit here to hopefully avoid any abrasion. The lateral side, you've got a stitched on Nike swoosh, and the same can be said on the medial side. And at the back, you have the Nike TN in this heel counter. That's like a patent leather, but it's not a patent leather. It's again in this synthetic material right there. The insole, you've got this like kind of magma finish, and it's kind of patterning of the outsole right there for you. Again, synthetic materials, some mesh inside, and again, just want to highlight at the tongue, you've got like this patent black finish right here with the Nike Air logo. Also, really excited to try these on. These are such a cool sneaker that came out last year, unfortunately. We weren't able to review it for you guys in time. So here we are, 2024, got some sneakers for you. Very nice in detail, quite different to what I'm used to when it comes to the Air Max Plus OGs. Obviously I'm used to that plastic there, but this is a nice interpretation of the sneaker itself. Gonna try these on for you, so roll that footage of me trying these on for you. comes to the fit, guys, typically I'm a UK size 7.5 for Nike, but for these, I went half size up and these fit perfectly. I think it's because it's very narrow compared to other Nike sneakers. But yeah, it fits really well. Looks really cool on. Great tuned there, technology, can't go wrong. It's been many years for Nike. And for those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of parachute joggers from Uniqlo. We're not sponsored by Uniqlo, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, we know that you are. Throw some goodies for your boys. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.